Hey y'all, so today I got Subway, I got me a cold cut, it got olives on it, it got jalapeno peppers, it got spinach, onions, cucumbers, and mayonnaise, and lettuce and tomatoes. Mm. Well, I had to get a napkin and a little sloppy, but it's so good. Oh y'all should try it the way how I eat it. It looks so delicious. And I got extra meat. You know how Subway, sometimes they don't be putting a lot of meat, so you gotta put a little bit of extra. Mm. Mm. So good. So juicy. Came with the bagel. Sandwich. I'll take a bite. Mm-mm. Tastes so good. Mm. 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 Push it down all in there. Mm. Mm-mm. They put a lot of mayonnaise on here. Push it all in there. Mm. 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 Oh my God. This is so good. With the chips. But I normally eat plain chips with my cold cut. But you know, Subway, they don't sell us. They got Lay's. So this is my best option other than the natural cheese. Mm. Mm. Well, I'm trying to tell you, try this cold cut. You won't like it. Especially if you're a person like olives and stuff. This is a sandwich for you. Mm. 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 That was so good. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna finish the other half in front of the TV. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.